Let me walk you through how to get started with My Text Digest. First, head to mytextdigest.com and click on Sign Up. You'll see two options: Desktop, which keeps everything fully local, so your data never leaves your machine, and Cloud, which lets you access your work from anywhere on any device. For this demo, we'll go with Cloud. Within Cloud, you can choose between two plans. The $3 per month plan gives you 1 gigabyte of storage, and the $5 per month plan gives you 3 gigabytes of storage. Pick the one that fits your workflow. Once you're in, there's just one quick setup step: adding your OpenAI API key. Think of it like bringing your own engine. It powers all the AI features while keeping you in full control of usage. Your documents and conversations go directly between you and OpenAI. We don't store or access your data. You can get your API key from platform.openai.com, paste it once, and you're ready to go. Now, create your project. Upload your documents, PDFs, Word files, or text. My Text Digest instantly summarizes them. From there, you can chat with a single document or ask questions across your entire workspace at once. One workspace, all your documents, every answer. Get started at mytextdigest.com, a product of Next Generation Innovation LLC.